Hi folks, unfortunately I just woke up, you know, so I would say it's weird to somebody who doesn't like sleep afternoon, during the day you might not go to sleep, but here it's normal, everybody goes to sleep at daytime, okay? Oh, so, it's fucking hard. I want to buy a piece of land for myself, but it's very expensive. I have no, I have enough money for that. I don't want like loans. I hate loans, but I would say that I have to borrow from the bank. But I just hate loans. Okay, stop talking about that. Okay. Oh shit. You know, for you guys in your 20s, do you think it's hard to live your own life? So for me, I would say that it's very, very hard. Like I have a tons of expenses. It's very hard. So I'm in 20, old 20s, but I have nothing. Like I don't even have a house. I don't even have cars. Even just motorbike is very hard. Oh shit. I would say that. Yeah, I know that's just shame on me. Okay, but you know, it's fucking stupid. Ah, shit. I'm confusing. Sometimes I'm going crazy, but I need to make more extra money. But it's really hard to find other jobs. Like I'm in the second job. Um, I am a teacher, but not English teacher, a math teacher, but it's really so I don't I don't get paid that much. That's why I need extra job. You know. I don't know what should I do. So I'm really struggling here with everything. My life is kind of like really dark. I'm struggling with everything. I just can't figure out anything. So it's fucking hard now. Ah, shit. I need help. It's fucking hard. Okay. I just want to leave it, but I can't. So it always pops in my head, and I just can't stop. I just can't stop thinking about that. You know, oh shit. It's very hard. Unfortunately, I always said the word hard, but it is. I'm trying to be calm down, but oh shit, I would say only way that I can just help me is I need to go to the bank and yeah, just bank only can help me. But I need to work harder. Okay.